We've got our Noyo River Rock going out. This size and color looks just like mixed Mexican beach pebbles from Mexico, at of course a substantially lower price. So it's a really good deal. Just getting some of them cleaned off now. Really great uniform size, shape, mixed colors. Our Sierra Silver Blue DG put out just to be a surface coating in order to put down some synthetic turf. A stairway will go in here. This will be a fire pit area down here. Got our Noyo pea gravel. And we can see the Monsoon Storm Season Boulders. Even a little heart-shaped boulder there. It really sets the house off quite well. These boulders have quite a bit of fossilized plant life in them. You can often find really nice fern and other plant patterns, plant fossils pressed into the rock. So we wound up in the end with 2 terraces, a greatly expanded recreation area. This area has lots of opportunities in the future, and then a really nice stairway in progress down to the lake. Some sweet peas and hypericum in bloom. And come back in a few days and see how much progress has been made. So we install boulder walls for people, and we do material placement. So if you need a boulder wall or you need material placement, you know who to reach.